Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself and the room. Dust and chemical vapors are the real hazards. Once you have PPE and coverings in place, test a hidden patch to see whether heat, chemical stripper, or sanding removes your paint without damaging drywall. Start at a corner and try the gentlest effective method first so you preserve substrate. Make sure to ventilate the room as you work, because effective removal often creates fumes or dust that you must control for safe progress. Now you commit to the chosen technique and follow precise habits to avoid damage. If using a heat gun, hold it 6 to 8 inches away and move continuously so you don't scorch the wall. Scrape softened paint with a plastic scraper. With chemical stripper, apply a thin 1/8 to 1/4 inch coat, wait the recommended dwell time, then remove residue with a scraper and neutralize. If sanding, use 120 to 180 grit and vacuum, often to prevent clogged abrasive. Finish by inspecting for residual paint, sanding smooth, and priming any exposed areas to ensure new paint adheres. You should fill nicks with spackling compound and sand flush once dry, then wipe the wall with mineral spirits or a mild detergent solution and allow it to fully dry. If stubborn paint remains, try an alternate method on a small patch, for example chemical after heat, or call a professional. Make sure to reevaluate ventilation and PPE if removal becomes difficult or hazardous.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.